Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. This be your girl Ruthie. Welcome. So this right here is a DIY video. I wanted to quickly show you of us painting, well, of me painting my back room. This is the before picture. This is how it looked before, as you guys already know. The other half, I never really got to it. So right now, I'm going to show you how we did that. But this is how it ended up looking after a while, guys. It turned into a, you know, like a little play area for the kids. It was just hideous, guys. It was terrible. I know I could have savvied it up a little bit more and just got rid of everything and made it more, you know, decorative, but I decided to just remove everything and just make the extra space in the home that I needed. If you guys already watched the DIY videos, I will put the link down below so you guys can check it out. How to turn your patio into a guest room. So this is it right now, guys. As you can see, it's all white. It's primed. We really put our hands to the plow with this. You guys can check out the link. I just wanted to show you the before and the after.
All right, say bye RV gang.
Bye RV gang.
Woo! Yeah. All right.
Okay, so now that's the first part of the patio. So now this is the second half of the patio that we never got to. Y'all, we turned that place into a storage, hot mess storage.com. That thing we just put all the toys back there. Everything that was in the first room, we just all shoved it in and never did anything to it. Everything was mismatching. So now I wanted to show you guys, as I started this project, I was like, let me record this because I don't want any wasted content, right guys? So that's exactly why I decided to record this, because I am working and I know you guys love to see me work and do projects. So what I did was I recorded landscape and vertical, but I could not find the other footages, so I don't know what happened to it. So I'm stuck with this vertical one. So I apologize for the footage being like this, guys. I would also like to say that I was working on this project. I cleaned out the patio first, took all the toys out as much as I could. I left the other side and I started. I was so anxious to start, guys, that I did not use no prepared material for this thing except for the little old floor mat that you see on the ground, which helped me a lot. But nonetheless, remember guys, if you're going to do a project, prepare everything first, and when you get that spurge of energy or inspiration to start doing it, just do it and, you know, prepare, because the cleanup was unreal. As you guys can see, I'm moving things out as I go because the inspiration hit me. It's time to go. I'm one of those people. Once it hit, you gotta go while I'm inspired, because if not, I will not do it. As you guys can see, the color of the room, y'all. Look at the color of the room. Now, guys, for the life of me, I could not remember what team. I really didn't know what team had those colors in Florida. But my husband told me it was actually the Florida State University Seminoles colors. So this football team, the previous owner loved the football team, so he had like this whole jacuzzi and bar thing going on back here, and it was for his team. I don't know if he used to play for the team, I don't know what his fetish was, but our mailbox had the color, our front door had the color. It was just a hotmess.com. But no offense, we love, you know, our state, we love Florida, so shout out to the teams in Florida. But that color back there, I'm finally, like, I'm so happy we finally got to change the color though. I'm just saying, for it worked out for, you know, what it worked for him, but for us it's like, yeah, I'm so happy to just get that color out. I'm not gonna lie, it made the back room so dark. But shout out to the team. I got some information about the team I'll read to you guys, so you know we can show respect and reverence to the team. So here we go. The Florida State Seminoles are athletic teams representing Florida State University, located in Tallahassee, Florida. They competed as a member of the National College Athletic Association NCAA Division Level 1 football subdivision sublevel for football, primarily competing in the Atlantic Coast Conference ACC for all sports since 1991-92 season within the Atlantic Division, in any sport split into divisional format since 2005 and 06 season. So that's the history of the team. God bless them. We appreciate you, and keep going for the positive cause of football. Yay! Okay. By the way, guys, I know nothing about football. My husband just said it's a college football, which is all good. The former owner of the home must have been either an athlete there or a student there. Nonetheless, it is what it is. All I know is Pittsburgh Steelers is the best, and that's all I know. All right. So let's get back to the video. So guys, I was still moving stuff out. I wanted to make that backboard, stain it, and make a nice design, but I was so pressed for time, and as you can see on my spray overs, I was super over it. I did call Home Depot and ask the lady like, yo, I'm tired of returning your products. Can you just tell me how to use this thing properly? Why is the machine not spraying my paint? And she asked, did you have water paint? And I was like, yes. And she was like, oh, you can actually add water to the paint. It's probably too thick and it's not coming out the gun sprayer. So after she told me that, we added water. It was a game changer. So shout out to the lady at Home Depot. Whoop whoop. She really helped us with this project because she told us what to do. Okay, with the mat that you guys see there, that mat has helped me out a lot as well because I didn't get so much overspray on the floor. So that's a good technique. I think that's the only preparation I did, y'all, because I was way too lazy. I'm not gonna say lazy, but my mom brains did not kick in to tell me that I had everything I needed in my trunk. It's just so crazy. Like when I get motivated and I don't stop until I'm like passing out. So yeah, so that's the type of person I am. Once I get inspired, I'm there and I don't stop until I am completely depleted. But don't be like me. Prepare. Okay guys, prepare, please, please. Thank you. Okay guys, so far so good. This is just the first coat and it's looking pretty good. Like I was telling you that I wanted to stain it, but there was so much overspray on it. I was like, I changed my mind. I'm gonna just paint it white. The kids were calling me because they were hungry, so I had to stop and go tend to my children, feed them, bathe them, and then I was able to come back out and play, which was good. It gave the patio time to dry, and when I came back, it was time for the second coat of primer. So guys, I'm loving how it's looking so far. Even though this is just the first half, this is the first coat. We're going for the second coat of primer, guys. No, actually the second coat of paint. We did the second coat of primer already. So my brother came over to help me. Shout out to Jeff, that's my brother. He's coming to help. Shout out to him. So this is after the second coat. So because this is exterior paint, I decided to put literally one strip of tape, y'all. Hotmess.com. I should have just stripped the whole thing, but I only put one because the paint was flowing so well. I got trigger happy and I just wanted to finish the project. So I just went along and just finished painting without taping the rest. And I just started painting the rest of the place, y'all, because I was fighting with the spray gun for so long. I was like, oh snap, it's working. I'm not gonna let you go. So I kind of went crazy, but don't be like me. Prepare. Shout out to the State College again. Just to say, hey, we're on the same team here. But my husband did say, go Gators. FYI. So it's all good, guys. I was super happy with the results at the end of the day. As I was recording this video, guys, I realized it's my father's birthday, so I just want to say happy birthday to my late father. Today's his birthday, and it's so crazy that I'm doing this editing right now. It just reminds me so much of my dad. Every time I do these type of things, I think about him. I'm loving how it's coming out, guys. It looks so good. It looks so much cleaner. Now, what sucks about this, as you guys can see, I'm literally fighting with this spray gun, but it's all good, guys. We finally got it done. I think this project took about 2 or 3 days, and then like 2 days, and it took 1 day for me to paint the whole room and the second day for me to organize everything and prepare for the birthday party. So it's all good. Everything worked out. As you guys can see, it's looking pretty good. Boy, I was tired. And then I looked at the bottom of the patio screening. It was like so dirty with so much, like, even though we pressure cleaned it, but there were stains that just were not coming out. So I decided to use the spray gun there, and I was so happy with the results, guys. Like, it looked so clean. This is the second coat that I'm using now, because as you can see, there are still some spots and splashes, and this is me doing the cleanup, guys. I had to use the all-purpose tool to scrape the paint off of the window. Like, I was really trying to get this thing done, this project done. I was not playing. I think the party was happening either that night or the next night. I'm not sure, but I really got this thing done. Shout out to my brothers that came over, like I said, guys, because they're always there giving me a helping hand, as you guys will see soon. My brothers are young, but I always try to put them to work so they can keep themselves busy doing something positive, you know, because they're teenagers and you want to keep them doing something productive so they have a skill that they can always have when they grow older. That's what my dad did with me. I was very young. I was like 3 or 4 years old going to work with my dad and seeing him work, which made me not afraid to work at all. So I'm not afraid to work, as you guys can tell. And I try to implement that on my brothers. You know, we don't have the same dad, but we don't have the same dad, but still, I am their only sister out of 5 brothers. I'm the only girl, but I have a lot of like guy mannish ways because I was a daddy's girl, and my dad taught me a lot and working ethics and stuff like that. And my mom is also a hard worker, so I grew up around a lot of hard-working people that just love to do stuff and use your creativity. So I'm really thankful for my parents, which were very creative people. And like I said, it's my dad's birthday, so shout out to him, and God bless, God bless, everything that he's taught us in my life. I really miss my dad, but I'm thankful for the things that he's taught me, because every time I'm doing one of these labor projects, like these heavy painting or crafting projects, I seriously feel like he's with me, or I feel like, like I'm close to him, because, oh, I'm getting teary-eyed, guys. Because like I said before, growing up is what we used to, go to work with him, and he'd be like, hey, Ruth, as he would, show me, his projects and everything, he'd be talking to me and telling me, things of God and what God wants us to do as Christians and stuff. He would really pour into me as a Christian. So spend time with your children, guys. These little things, they do matter. Train up a child in the way that they should go, and when they get older, they shall not depart from it, because he did put that in me, and I appreciate it, because as you can tell, here I am speaking about it. Oh, I'm crying. Oh gosh, I'm crying, guys. But I'm just thankful. My dad's been gone for 6 years now, and today's his birthday, and I'm just super thankful that, he's in a better place now where he doesn't have to suffer. But it's all good. Anyways, back to the video. Yeah, so that's me doing the cleanup, y'all. The ghetto. I had to use a acetone nail polish remover to remove the paint off the window, because the scraping was taking too long, so I didn't know what else to do. So I decided to use my nail polish remover, and it worked very well. As you guys can tell, I was like let me get this thing off. If you guys want a link to the bonnet that I have on my head, my cousin, she sells them. I will put the link down below. You can get them in whatever flag your country is in. I am Haitian, so I have the Haitian flag, but whatever country that you are in, or whatever design that you want, she can custom make a bonnet for you. And I just love my bonnet because it's so useful. I slap it on whenever I slap my wig off. I slap that on and I feel comfortable. So this is a couple days later after the party, guys. I didn't even show you guys the party. But I'll probably like throw a clip of the party in there for you to see the aftermath of the patio or something. I didn't think about that. I'll add it. I'll just show you like a small clip right here of how. So guys, this is a clip that I found from the live that I had already posted. So I'm just showing you guys the food in this clip, but I wish I could show you the whole back room. Hopefully later I find the rest of it so I could really show you. But as you can tell, the party was a success, guys. The back room was on point. It was perfect. Everybody was able to walk in and out. They loved the decor. It was like a very intimate setting. The graduation party was a success. It was so much of a success that my niece actually asked me the next week to do her birthday party. So we had 2 parties, in this back room because of the aesthetics, and the aesthetic was just white. So I will post a video of me cleaning up and everything later. Okay, looked after yeah. Okay, so right here, guys, is where the chairs, these chairs I purchased from Habitat. I love these chairs. So what had happened was, after the party, I had these chairs decorated in the room. After the party, I wanted it to make it a nice feng shui, you know, setting, so we can sit down and talk and have, you know, a nice area to just, you know, bask in the feng shui and relaxing and everything. But one of my mutual friends saw it after I showed her. She was like, oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. And she was moving, so she asked if she could purchase them. So we sold the chairs. But please excuse my toddler, my baby in the background. Jeremiah is always just popping up. Oh guys, look at the overspray. You see what I mean in the window? That is so hard to clean off, guys. I'm not gonna lie. And I ran out of nail polish remover. But so you guys get the drift. What lesson have we learned today? Teach your kids while they're young, or nieces and nephews, or godchildren while they're young. Every child, teach them to do right, and prepare yourself accordingly before you paint. So as you guys see, the last viewing of this room, that treasure trunk, I've had it for years. The chairs is so beautiful. They're so comfortable. The picture frame of the horse I had for a long time. I basically just used what I had to make it work. The boho theme, just to make it work. I changed the curtains out a few times to make it flow with what was going on. I had that old rug that we were not using, and we just used it for the patio. So everything just kind of flowed. The chairs were super comfortable. I missed them so much, but I'm happy that they're gone. The tree right there I got from Home Goods. I took that from my room. Of course, magazine stand, I think I bought from a thrift from way back. The picture plant right there I got from Home Goods. The light, the boho light, is from World Market. What else? The doors I got from Habitat. And the wood paneling I got from Home Depot, and we just closed off the room. If you guys are interested, don't forget the links are down below for the DIY guest room. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys can comment down below and tell me what you think. Let your girl know. Thank you so much. Love you. God bless, and bye bye.